Why design and drafting workflows can be so complex and time-consuming? If so, you're not alone. Today we're delving into a solution that has been transforming these workflows across Europe and Greece, and is making its mark globally. This revolutionary tool is none other than SDBOX, an add-on software for AutoCAD, BricsCAD, GstarCAD, and ZwCAD. Imagine a toolbox packed with features that address each aspect of your design and drafting needs. That's what SDBOX offers. From topographic survey plans to floor plans, elevation plans, and section plans, SDBOX has got you covered. It goes a step further with capabilities for detailed building plans, fire protection, land registry plans, site support plans, and even photo documentation. But what makes SDBOX truly stand out are its automated features. It offers automatic presentations of calculations of surfaces, lengths, and on objects. This means whether you're working on a small residential project or a large-scale commercial development, you can quickly and accurately calculate parameters with ease. The automatic dimensioning feature simplifies the process of creating accurate and detailed drawings. It eliminates the tedious task of manual dimensioning, saving you time and increasing your productivity. SDBOX doesn't stop there. It also provides deviation calculations and slopes, which are crucial for many engineering projects. These features allow for precision and accuracy in your designs, ensuring high-quality results every time. Counting, measurements, legends, tables are also part of the package. SDBOX makes managing large amounts of data a breeze. Whether it's mass object changes or mass conversions, corrections, additions, replacements, the software handles it all. It even includes export-import of texts and symbols, making data transfer seamless. Output. One of the most impressive features of SDBOX is its image management and adjustment capabilities. It allows for line conversions, layer management, and file import and export, simplifying the process of manipulating and managing your digital assets. Moreover, SDBOX comes equipped with an automatic management of folders, a file editor, and the ability to print automatically to PDF for common paper sizes. It even has the ability to export DXF to a new design, and comes with preset CTBs for each scale. Output. In a nutshell, SDBOX is a powerhouse of tools designed to streamline your design and drafting workflows. It offers a comprehensive suite of features that cater to every aspect of your projects. From topographic surveys to building plans, from automatic dimensioning to mass data management, SDBOX is a game changer. By automating complex processes, improving accuracy, and enhancing productivity, SDBOX is revolutionizing design and drafting workflows. It's not just an add-on software, but a critical tool that brings efficiency and precision to your projects. Whether you're an engineer, an architect, or a designer, SDBOX is a tool that will transform the way you work.